Then the display style. Assuming you want to view this in a different perspective, so we have what we call the shaded with the edge. This is what we are basically viewing in. We also have shaded. So this is how the shaded looks like. You don't see anything on the edges. Okay, this is how the shaded looks like. You also have the hidden lines removed. So it takes off the shade, then makes it a normal drawing. So you're only seeing the drawing of itself. You can also choose to add what we call the hidden lines visible. So what it does is it makes hidden lines. Hidden lines are basically stuff that are behind, or stuff that you cannot see in the normal view. So the hidden line indicates to you or communicates that there is something behind it. So you could see that it's a broken line, which shows you that there is something behind it. It's a hidden line. If it was to be a hole, you will see a hidden line for the hole over here. Okay, so this is how the hidden lines also looks like. And the last one, which is the wireframe, makes the entire thing looks like a wire. So this is how it also looks like. So like sketches. Okay, then you also have these. There are a whole lot of them. So if you want to view or show planes, you just hit this. If you want to turn it off, it also gives you the ability to view certain axes, that is certain lines. You also have the appearance we talked about from here. You also have another appearance section from here. So once you hit here, it gives you the option. The difference between this appearance and the appearance on your right is this appearance gives you the chance to select a color. So let me just go back to our shaded with edges. So assuming I select this surface. Okay, I want to give it a color of, okay. So let me select this. Yes, this one. So you select the part from here. Let's do it another way. So I select this surface, then the appearance comes over here. So let me select appearance. So once I select appearance, it gives me the option to select what I want to do. So I want to give it a color. So let me select the color again. Now it's working. So this is what happens. So normally in SOLIDWORKS, there are a whole lot of ways to do stuff. If one way is not working, it means something is wrong. So you have to look for another way. So assuming I want the bolt to be red, this is what I can do. If I want it to be blue, this is what I can do. So basically, I just wanted you guys to know what this interface at the top also does. Okay, if I'm okay, then I just accept it. If I'm not okay, I just close it. So this is it. Finally ended up with a pink color. So we also have what we call the scene. The scene is basically the background. So if I want the background to be a plain white, this is what happens. So you see everything is plain. If I want it to be a backdrop, I can make it a backdrop of black. If I want it to be soft spotlight, I'm able to add a soft spotlight. So this is how it looks like. If I also want to make it, urban 5 background,